Hi there, this is Amy Cuenca, and you are watching my 2-minute tech tip video on tracking student mastery of standards for performance-based activities. As a music teacher, one of the things I struggled with was tracking performance-based assessments with fidelity. That leads me to today's tip, where I will show you how to set up and use a 4-question Google form to track student mastery of standards. So let's get started for our 2-minute tip. Setting up a basic Google form is easy and quick. You can access Google Forms directly from your Google Drive or by going to forms.google.com. From here, you will name your form with a title that works best for you. My first question is going to be related to the standards. I can list them by number, I can statements, or with a brief description of the standard. Today, I am including 2 I can statements. Eventually, I would want to include all assessed kindergarten music standards on this drop-down list. Next, I will list the students in this kindergarten class in their own drop-down menu. You can paste a full roster list here all at once if you like. Now, I will include a drop-down that I can use to track student mastery based on my school's standards-based grading system. Finally, I am leaving an open section for anecdotal notes that can be dictated or typed. After creating my form, I will click this icon to create a Google Sheet where all of the data will be compiled. And now I am ready to assess. To get a viewable working version of this form directly from this editable format, I can click on the eye at the top of the form and start inputting responses directly from here. Now I can walk around my classroom with the form open on my tablet or phone during a performance activity and can quickly assess students individually. All of my data is sent to a Google Sheet where I can sort it and use the information to inform my teaching practice. As you can imagine, this data is very helpful for many purposes, including inputting grades for students, PLC data, and future lesson planning. After you try this out for yourself, tag me on Twitter and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching my 2-minute tech tip.